Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over the optional module titled SMS Notification. With this module, you can send a text message to clients and caseworkers from the caseworker portal. They will receive that text message instantly. And with recent enhancements, your clients can now respond to that text message, which you will be able to see and reply in the caseworker portal. Before we begin, it is important to note that you must be enabled for the optional module titled SMS Notifications. Also, by default, your clients cannot respond to a text and will see a message stating they are receiving an automated response. This video will show you how to enable them to respond to SMS messages. Let us log into the caseworker portal. We will first send a message to a client who cannot respond to a text. Then, we will show how to enable them to respond and how that will look. From the home page, you will click on the Tools drop-down menu. You will locate SMS. A pop-up will appear. You will first select the recipient. You can send this to either a client or caseworker. You will search for the client's name and click on Done. Something to be aware of is you might try to send an SMS message to your client, but they do not have a cell phone associated to them. If so, you will see a message next to their name alerting you of this. You can proceed to go into their client profile and add a cell phone number. Be sure to click on Save. If getting this message for a caseworker, this can be added in their user profile of the Admin Tools page. Once the profile has a number associated and they are selected, you can proceed to select your department, meaning from which location you are texting from. You can compose the SMS message. Please note there is a 160-character limit, which is standard on most mobile phones. And by default, it will include your name. You have the option of sending a text with your name, or you can select to not include your name and the client will see it is a message from the department. Once you make your selections and compose the message, your client will receive a text message instantly. They will also see a message saying it is an automated message and to not reply. Something to keep note of is any SMS sent to the client will be logged in their client profile, specifically the log section. Also, if you are inside the client's profile and select Tools and SMS, it will automatically list the client as the recipient of this text. Now that we have seen how SMS messages can be composed and sent, how about wanting your clients to respond? For them to respond, we must give them access in their client profile, specifically the Client Access tab of their client profile. Once inside the Client Access tab, if you scroll down, you will see a checkbox that gives them access to send SMS messages. Select it, and your client now has the ability to respond to your SMS messages. Please note, only one client can be associated to a specific cell phone number. Also, in order for your clients to be able to send you a text message, you must be assigned to them in the Caseworkers tab of the client profile. Be sure to link yourself there. Now that we have given the client the ability to send SMS messages, let us proceed to send another message to the client. We will follow the same steps shown previously on this video. We will compose our message, and once finished, we will click on Send. This time, your client will receive a text but will not see that message to not reply. They can proceed to type out their message. Once your client responds from their phone, you will see a message notification appear in your mailbox up top. Select it. You will now be brought to a screen where those incoming messages are. If you click Open, a pop-up will appear where you see your message interaction with your client. Each message will have a timestamp of when it was sent or received. You can proceed to send more messages here by typing out your message and clicking on Send. Once you are done interacting with the client, you can archive the message and it will send it to your archived messages. Your client will also receive an SMS message notifying that the message has been archived. Any message they attempt to send will be ignored until a new thread is started on your side. This concludes our video on the SMS Notifications optional module.